Assalamu alaikum. I am Muskaan, Fayyaz, founder of RxAegis, and we are solving a problem million faces: unsafe and unverified medicine. Every day, people unknowingly buy medicines that are fake, unregistered, or unsafe. RxAegis solve this by letting you scan any medicine and instantly see whether it's real or approved. In just a second, you get a clear verified warning results based on trusted official data. No medical knowledge needed, just scan, check, and stay safe. It's built for everyday people, caregivers, pharmacies who want peace of mind. RxAegis makes medicine safety simple, fast, and reliable. In one sentence, RxAegis let anyone instantly verify whether medicine is real, registered, and unsafe just by scanning it. If this idea worthful? Yes, counterfeit medicine and unverified medicines are a real threat that cause health risks, financial loss, and mistrust. If a user even suspects a medicine might be fake, that fear alone is painful enough to seek a solution. So, here we represent RxAegis. Thank you so much.